Hello everyone and welcome back to the Odoo function tutorials by TechUltra Solutions. In this video, we'll explore how to configure and use cross-docking in Odoo inventory. So cross-docking is a powerful method to reduce the storage time by directly moving the incoming goods to outbound shipments without storing them. So let's see how it works step by step. Now let's see what is cross-docking with the help of a visual. So cross-docking is a logistics technique where products from a supplier or manufacturing plant are distributed directly to a customer or retail chain with minimum handling or storage time. In Odoo, this is done by routing incoming products directly to a delivery order. So let's now configure cross-docking in Odoo step by step. So the very first step is to enable the multi-step routes. For that, quickly move to the inventory module and here in the configuration settings, make sure to enable the multi-step routes under this warehouse settings and once done, quickly save it. So multi-step routes are necessary here to access the advanced logistics features like cross-docking. Now step 2 is to activate the cross-dock route. For that, in the inventory, in the configuration, we have the section to configure the routes. So here I'm already having my route as cross-dock for my company and here you can see different options for applicable on. So where this route should be applicable, we need to select the places and now make sure the route has two rules: pull from, which is from the input location, and push to, which is the outgoing shipment. So the cross-dock route links your incoming and outgoing operations without going through the storage. Now let's imagine a company selling the Bluetooth speakers online. So instead of keeping a large inventory, they rely on just-in-time purchasing. Now when a customer places an order, the supplier delivers the product directly to their dock and the product is immediately shipped to the customer. So this is cross-docking. Now let's configure the product for this case. So quickly move to the products menu and here we are going to create a new product. So click on new to create a new one. So I'm just creating the product as speakers here and now under the inventory tab we need to make sure the cross-dock route is enabled here and along with this we need to assign the vendor. So for that just shift to the purchase tab and add a vendor details. So I'm just adding Deco Edit as my vendor here and once done you can just quickly save. Now once the cross-dock route is assigned to the product, it tells Odoo to apply this flow during the operations. Now let's see cross-docking in action through a sales order. So quickly move to your sales module now and here we are going to create a new sales order for our customer, say mark demo this time. So add our product which is speakers, define the quantity, say 10 units with a unit price of 3000. And yeah, once done by adding the details you can just simply click on the confirm to confirm this sales order. Now when we confirm the sales order, Odoo realizes we don't have stock, so it triggers the cross-docking flow. So here you can see a purchase order is triggered. So now quickly open this purchase order from here and here you can see a purchase order is generated for our vendor Deco Addict automatically when we have created a sales order for our customer. So here we are just going to add the unit price to it and we are going to confirm this purchase order and here we have our receipt generated. So click on that and add the quantity and we need to validate this. So here you can see the operation type is receipts here and the destination location is our input in the warehouse. So now we'll just click on this next transfer. So we have validated the receipt. This is our next operation type which is our cross-dock for our company. So here you can see the source location is our input location and the destination location is the output location for our product. So we just need to validate this as well and now we just click on the next transfer. So this is the last transfer which is the delivery. So here you can find the operation type as delivery orders, and the source location is the output one. So directly the product is going to move from our input location to the output location, and then to our customer. So this shows that the product is not stored in our inventory, and we are not managing the inventory for the product. So we need to just click on this validate, and the delivery is validated. That means the product is delivered to the customer. So in this way, you can see that Odoo automatically links the incoming and the outgoing shipments. The incoming is validated and the outgoing is ready, which shows that no storage step is involved. So by validating the receipts, cross-dock and the delivery order, we have successfully completed the cross-docking operation. Now let's see why we should use cross-docking. About the benefits for the cross-docking, there is no need for warehouse storage, faster delivery, lower inventory cost, and perfect for dropshipping or just-in-time models. Now concluding the video, using cross-docking, companies reduce inventory cost, accelerate the delivery times, and improve operational efficiency. It's perfect for high-demand, fast-moving products. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you in the next video.